devastating for a school when they order furniture which is not fit for purpose. Give us a shout because we'll help you through the process and make sure the furniture you have is fit for purpose. Nobody wants to do it on their own and be left to make the decision and work online only or from a catalogue. So where we work is we work with yourselves and actually put the drawing into place for you. So you've then got complete reassurance that the furniture you're getting is going to be right. Then we work with our team to put together the ideas and select furniture that you've got in mind until that design is actually ironed out and you're getting exactly what you're looking for.
We're well used to clients coming and say, well, we've got this space, there's a certain number of students that need to work in this space, but it's got two purposes. We'll come up with a free design service just to help you visualise the space, and that can often serve as a starting point.
I think that a lot of schools are recognising the importance of having nice learning environments, places where kids want to go to school. They want comfort, to be able to concentrate and actually truly take in the content of lessons. You need to be comfortable, you need to be in the right environment.
We can show you other case studies of work we've done in other schools to help for visualisation and for you to see the sort of furniture that could be really suited to your requirement. All these rooms were inspiring for the children, made them feel very valued. We store the furniture and can bring it in per classroom or per room as you require it. We'll follow the whole process right through, so you've got no worries or on-site project manager needed of your own to see the project through to completion. We'll take care of that completely for you. We're still here and always will be to ensure you can get spare parts and anything's required to give you an ongoing reassurance.
To walk around school after it's opened and the children are there, the place is buzzing, it's what I really like to see.
When you've worked on a project, sometimes for months or even years, then just seeing a result that's exactly as you'd planned it is really what we're here for.
Approaching Springfield at the early stages of a project will ensure that they've got furniture right from day one that's going to last and suit their need and also look smart.